Cassandra, you're gonna be okay. You hear me just say? Me say you're gonna be okay.
More if you understand, say it's not a situation where may I pressure you in any way, but we have to maintain the fact so you take your meds.
Yes. And when me take them, if you ever know it make me feel, there's no doubt inside of me. I have no doubt. Believing that you are the killer. I believe that you killed that woman.
You are such one big hypocrite in all of this situation.
Recording 6:31 p.m. I've reached the location of Mr. Wilson.
Mr. Wilson have gun plus my sister journal in her possession. No man, that a holy that man.
When I said deal with him, I mean you're supposed to unalive him for your sister because she was working with him.
There's rumor going around that I killed her.
Excuse me?
Yeah. You have access to the bathroom, the kitchen, the balcony. But my room is off limits. But this one woman, she's my neighbor. She's just constantly at me. Everywhere I turn.
I didn't get the full name.
I don't see where it's important, but it's just to come.
Do you have a problem with my son visiting?
No, do your son have a problem with me? Well, I do have some information, but it's not concrete. I need something else.
So, what are you trying to say? Is he the one who killed my sister or not?
Mr. Wilson, you is a hypocritical killer for this community.
I'm looking for a one, Cassandra Black. She has been missing for quite some time, and I hear that here is where she live and work.
Why are you making so much noise in the house? I don't want you to make any noise in here, so that people can pass by and hear my business. Shut up!